Hi. We're in the snow. Okay.
Yeah. You can't see my face.
It's probably obvious, but so this is like the first blizzard of the new decade, and we're like in the middle of it when it's really bad, and snow just went into my eye.
It went into my eye too.
Maybe we shouldn't be out right now. So we're still out in the snow, and Mariam is playing in the snow, and snow just went onto my teeth and it hurt like hell. And yeah, it's so cold. And this is all the snow on my block.
Look, I'm in the snow. So deep.
It's not that deep yet.
I know.
But it is snowing a lot. If you look at me, you can tell.
Same here. My bird is in the snow. What happened?
It's really windy.
Oh my gosh, it broke.
Well, obviously.
It's got ours. We're good.
It's really windy, especially